What if we really have a chance to make tens and hundreds of thousands from our home? What if we really have a chance to learn high demanding or high income skills from our home? Hi everyone, it's me Simon Rai, full online entrepreneur, digital marketer, affiliate marketer, consultant, business coach, as well as content creator for you guys. Today I'm going to share you 5 high income skills which really pay you high income to you and to your family. You can learn these skills at this quarantine. So let's jump into the topic. The number one skills I recommend you is called coding skills. Coding skills is especially for software developer, software engineer who really love to build or who really love to use Java, HTML. So it is very high income skills and it is so demanding skills outside the market. So I suggest you to learn at this quarantine. And the second skills I recommend you is called digital marketing. Digital marketing is especially for the startup entrepreneur as well as business houses who really want to promote their business through the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, LinkedIn, or Twitter. There's so many platforms out there. They can promote their product or service by those platforms, and this is so really high income skills, high demanding skills outside the market, so you can learn at this quarantine. And the third skills I recommend you is called closing skills. Closing skills means whatever you have a service or product, you can close from your home by doing chat, by doing webinar, by doing phone calls. So it is very simple skills and it is so powerful and highly income skills for you guys. And the fourth skills I recommend you is called project management. There are a lots of project stocking outside the market and they are searching a good project manager. So this is really high income skills and you can learn at this quarantine. Fifth last but not least, what I call is copywriting skills. Copywriting skills is especially for the startup entrepreneurs, business houses, affiliate marketers, digital marketers. They really use those copywriting skills and they really searching a good copywriters. So you can learn these skills at this time. So those are the 5 skills I recommend you to learn right now, which really pay you tens and hundreds of thousands to you and to your family. Thanks so much for being with us. Please, if you like this video, share to your friends or relatives. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.